Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing GYARU makeup. I do GYARU makeup every day and I just want to show you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. It's going to be really cute, it's going to be really dolly, and it's going to be perfect for the winter time, which is basically right now. So I kind of just want to jump into this makeup look already, and I've already done my eyebrows. For this makeup look I always do my eyebrows really straight. I'm going to show you guys how to do this makeup look. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys. I haven't done a makeup video in a minute, so I just want to pop on here and show you guys my everyday makeup routine. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to do my eyeshadow. Basically, you just want to prime your eyelids first. This is the Super Stay Concealer. After I put concealer on my eyelids, I actually use some of this powder, the HD NYX powder. I recently got this makeup palette from Juvia's Palace. It is so gorgeous. This is perfect for GYARU makeup. The color I'm going to be using today is this right here. I'm also going to sort of treat this video as a get ready with me because low-key I am getting ready for school. I'm ready for winter to be freaking over, I know that. Look at how beautiful this looks. I'm just going to go ahead and do this on the other eye. What is your guys' favorite season? My favorite season is, I want to say summer. I just love the weather. I don't like the cold, but this is how it's looking right now. I think I'll add a little bit of brown. When I do eyeshadow, I barely ever make it like one color on my eyelid. Giving it like two colors and it just makes it so beautiful. I'm using black and brown from this palette. The eyeshadow is done. Now let's work on the face. I'm going to be first using some e.l.f. How'd You Get Primer. This is the foundation I'll be using. Kind of just put it in all the areas that I use it. I'm blending this out with a brush, by the way. I'm just gonna jump to when this is all blended. So I'm gonna use this blending sponge and make sure all those streaky bits are gone. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite type of GYARU makeup is. There's Hime GYARU, there's Yamamba GYARU. I hope I'm pronouncing those right. I love all of them. I think all of them have really beautiful makeup style. Okay, now it is time for concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used to prime my eyelids. Now we're gonna blend all that out. Now I'm just going to blend that out. I'm gonna bring out this NYX HD powder, and I'm basically just gonna powder up my whole face. GYARU makeup looks a lot better when it's matte, so I honestly just use that as a rule of thumb. Looking greasy while wearing makeup is honestly like one of my biggest fears. That's like low-key me when I first started. Hold on guys. I needed that, I was talking so fast. We gotta do some contour. For GYARU nose contour, it is always like a stripe on the nose. Here's a nose contour on my face, and I am going to put some highlighter on there. Pretty sure every GYARU swears by this NYX Jumbo highlighter stick. Now I'm gonna do some white in my eyes right here. I also use this NYX pencil if the highlighter hasn't brightened it up. Now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm just gonna start off with a shape like this. This is the part where I make the droop, and this is so scary. I'm gonna draw the little individual eyelashes. It took a minute, but here are the eyes now. I'm just gonna do a little tiny wing. Just drew a little wing right here, and I'm gonna do that with this side as well. Okay, here are the eyes. Time for fake moles. I draw fake moles a lot because I just think they're cute. I always add one like right here. Now I'm gonna do some blush, and the blush that I use is this right here. It's a NYX Buttermelt blush. Now I want to put on some eyelashes, and then we can do the lip combo. The lashes are these matte velvet matte black lashes from Kiss. Okay, the lashes are on. Now it's time for the lips. I use this NYX Duck Plumper. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this is so freaking hot on your lips. Be warned while using this. Low-key, I can handle the pain if the color is really cute, and it is. First, I'm going to line my lips with this black. The thing about GYARU makeup that's really tricky is that people love to tell you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. What I think about it is just like, do whatever the freak you want. Like, I understand that there are like rules and like certain makeup categories and stuff like that. I understand that completely. Makeup is art, and I feel like people shouldn't be judged. People can be beginners in makeup and stuff like that. But anyway, I just had to rant for a second. What I'm saying is makeup groups, communities should definitely be like a judgment-free zone. I don't know why we're judging each other. Now I'm gonna use this tiny NYX lip pencil. I've had this for probably 2 years now. And the last step is to use this. A little in the middle. Okay guys, this looks so freaking good and I'm so happy with how this turned out. This is why I love GYARU makeup, and I'm really happy to be sharing my everyday GYARU makeup routine with you guys. It's also perfect for the winter. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow my socials right here, my Instagram and my TikTok for more content. I love doing GYARU makeup every day. It's so cute and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye everyone!